today, and I'm working on the Monport GP30 laser, and I'm just doing some holiday gift ideas. 'Tis the season to start working on projects like this. So today we're going to be doing some coasters. Now these coasters are a great gift idea because they're economical and very easy to do with a fiber laser. So let's go in and look at the settings that we're going to be doing for this. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the settings that we're going to be using for these coasters. So we have just a plain image here. This is an image that I used actually last year for some Christmas gifts, some rotary cups that I did. And this is perfect for coasters as well. So 1,000 millimeters per second for our speed, where power is at 75. It's a fill mode. Our frequency is 20 kilohertz, excuse me. We are doing a cross hatch, and our line interval is 0.04 millimeters. Pretty straightforward. So let's get started, and we'll mark one of these coasters. Alright, well, you can see it turned out really well. Well, the nice thing about these coasters is you can put all kinds of different designs on there, any logo you want. You can put family name on there, you can put prayers, you can put your favorite sports team on there, and really the possibilities are unlimited. What a great holiday gift idea for the holiday season. I'll post an Amazon affiliate link where you can pick up these coasters in the video description. Guys, if you're new to my channel and you're just tuning in, click on that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Also click on that notification bell. That way when I post a new video like this one, they'll send you a link. If it's something you're interested in, you can stop by and check it out. As always, please feel free to ask questions, make suggestions, or leave comments. Thumbs up if you liked the video, please subscribe, and most importantly, be safe.